Hey everyone, Jeremiah here with Laughing Place. Today we're going to try something different. Instead of an unboxing, we're doing an unbagging with Roosevelt's. Roosevelt's is probably one of the biggest addictions that I have other than theme parks and comics right now. They make some amazing products, shirts, hoodies, shorts, all sorts of other products. If you're not familiar with them, I'll do this promo right now. I'll do it in the middle, I'll do it at the end. Go to RSVLTS.com, download the Roosevelt's app. You will find something that you want. So what we are doing today is unbagging the Disney100 shirts. Now these shirts came out a little while ago, but my life has been behind for the past few months as it is, so I'm just getting around to this. First off, I will give a disclaimer. These shirts are listed as sold out on the Roosevelt's website, but as with all their products, just go back and check every now and then. They often restock, and these were so popular. If they don't restock, they're just throwing away money they could get. So they came with 3 different styles for the Disney100. This is what the bags look like if you're not familiar. They come in this bag and it is sealed. And the first shirt is the Hiya Pal shirt. And as you can see here, it's got the Disney100 tag right behind the Roosevelt's tag. It is themed with Mickey and his gloves. Very cute, very subtle. If you're wearing it, you can't really tell. And speaking of shirts you can't really tell, this shirt that I'm actually wearing is a Warner Brothers 100 shirt, and this series just dropped about a month or so ago, month and a half. And Warner Brothers, just like Disney, are celebrating their 100th anniversary. And this shirt is called From Here to Eternity. And it's got all of the classic Looney Tunes, Bugs Bunny, Porky Pig, Daffy Duck, Wile E. Coyote. I think the Roadrunner is on there. But, unless you get up close, you can't really tell the design. And that's one of the things I love about Roosevelt's is they're always so subtle. There are some that are just as blatant as can be, but the subtlety of most of these are great. And the Hiya Pal, this one I love. I can definitely wear this out wherever I'm going, and it doesn't stand out as Disney. So that's the first one. The second one is one that I've seen more people wear since it's been released than most other Roosevelt shirts. And this one is the Steamboat Mickey shirt. This one has Mickey Mouse, classic Mickey, Steamboat Willie Mickey, but it is Steamboat Mickey because it has the steamboat and it has regular Mickey. And again, just like the other one, has the Disney100 tag with Roosevelt's tag. Just a beautiful shirt. I can't wait to try this one on. But this is the shirt I've been waiting for since they first teased this drop. This one is Sketches to Screen. And this one covers Disney pretty much from Mickey Mouse all the way up to Encanto. There's Raya, there is Anna and Elsa. It's just a beautiful shirt. And I'll be showing these in closer detail, but I wanted to do the actual unbagging on this. So let's take a closer look at these shirts. Okay, now that we have the shirts out, we can get a little bit closer look. This is the From Sketch to Screen. You can see Princess Tiana, the fairy godmother. We got Edna Mode, Cinderella, Pocahontas. Down here in the corner, we have Raya and Minnie. It looks like Mickey will be right there on the pocket. I'll be trying this one on shortly. Now for the Steamboat Mickey one, you know, it's got the classic parrot with the ship's wheel, Mickey in his first role as Steamboat Willie, just the basic Mickey, and then of course we have the steamboat. You know, looking at this shirt, I can just hear the music and the whistle from Steamboat Willie. And then for the Hiya Pal one, yeah, this one is very classic. I love this one. I wasn't expecting to love this one as much as I do just looking at it. It has the stars, Mickey's hand, and then lots of Mickey silhouettes. First we have the Hiya Pal shirt. This shirt, like I said, I just love it. The darker color is great. The material on all Roosevelt shirts are perfect. I live in Florida. I can go outside wearing a undershirt or just this shirt. Completely comfortable. It never gets too hot, never gets too cold. I love these shirts. So this is the Steamboat Mickey one. Really cute. I appreciate that it's not just plain white, that they accentuate the lines of the waves, so it doesn't just come out as white with Mickey on it, but it has the steamboat, Mickey, and then the waves, the parrots, the wheel. So this is a great shirt. Also, something I didn't notice about the Hiya Pal is the extra tag that says Disney100 on one side, but then on the other side, limited edition. Again, like I said earlier, we don't know if these will reappear. We're hoping that they will. When they dropped, they sold out in about an hour. So always keep your notifications on. Go download the RSVLTS app and their website. You can get some great emails with notifications, and on all the socials, Twitter and Instagram, they have their updates coming, and of course on TikTok. So pay attention to all their socials so you can see what is coming. And finally, we have the sketches to screen. This is the shirt, like I said, I've been waiting forever for. It is perfect. It has Mickey Mouse right there. Perfect on the pocket. Every character, well, not every character, but characters you could only hope would appear on a shirt. And Minnie Mouse, Sleeping Beauty, we got Mike Wazowski, we got everybody on here. This is the shirt that, I'm not going to say if it comes back I'll buy a second one of, but if it comes back I'll buy a second one of. So gang, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging. It was my first time doing anything like this, so if it wasn't good, tell me how to make it better. If it was good, please leave comments, like, subscribe. But above all else, go subscribe to RSVLTS. They are the ones that provide me with these great shirts. This shirt is my all-time favorite shirt now. I will probably be living in this for a while. So if you see me around the Disney parks, say hi. But no matter what, follow RSVLTS. That way, if these do restock, you'll get the first notification. And also, they said over the next year, they'll be doing more Disney100 drops. So who knows what those shirts could be in the future, but I'm sure it's something that any Disney fan must have.